What's up, welcome back to the Rattling Bones channel, and as you know, when you're touring around the world, you do a lot of flights. I mean, me just checking into my flighty app here, you can see that last year I did 44 flights, total travel distance of 102,755 miles, and I was flying for a total of 9 days and 20 hours, which is ridiculous. But it's a lot of long haul flights, and over the years of doing all these flights, I've kind of just grown my collection of accessories that I take on the flights with me just to make my life a little bit easier. Stick around to the end of the video, I'll leave a link to the video where I go over all the accessories that I take. But this video is about my number one accessory and how I've just purchased the upgraded version of it. So yeah, that accessory is my neck pillow. Essential for long haul flights, and this one I've had for years. As you can see, it's a bit scruffy, it's, you know, it's ripped in some places, it's not looking the best. The Velcro here is just like pulling apart. I thought it was time for an upgrade, and this is a pillow by a company called TRTL pillow. I think it's supposed to stand for Turtle Pillow. I don't really know much about the company, but yeah, I've used this for a few years now. And this video isn't sponsored or anything. This is my pillow, bought it with my money. The upgrade I bought myself. It's just a pillow that I use. I'd recommend it to you guys. But for long haul flights, this thing is great. So the normal standard travel pillows that you see around, you know, the padded ones, big, clunky, you have to carry them around. I hate just how big they are anyway. You know, they're designed to be comfortable. When you're on a long haul flight, you're not really, comfort is one of the essential bits, but it's not the most essential. If you think when you're doing a long haul flight and you're sat upright in a chair for multiple hours, the main thing you're going to need is support, and that's what this gives you. The other ones are great as a comfy pillow. Really, the comfy pillow is great when you're lying down in the bed. When you're sat upright in a chair for 10 plus hours, this thing gives you support that you need to stop you from, I mean, I've had it loads of times on flights where if you don't have a pillow on, you'll just drift off to sleep and you'll start leaning backwards and your mouth will open. And you'll just wake up and you'll have drool down you. And I always wake up and I'll have been snoring, I've drooled on myself. It's not a good look. The other option is like you just start leaning forward and you'll either wake up because you're falling asleep like this and you'll have a bad neck, or you'll do that thing where you start to drift off and then you wake yourself up because you just jolt awake, and that's not good either when you're trying to get some rest. So this pillow, the idea is it's kind of like just some hard plastic that's curved, got a little bit of give, then it's wrapped in this like fabric, it's got a little bit of padding on that side, and the idea is that it just wraps around your neck and gives you the support to stop your neck moving forward too much, so you fall asleep like this, and it's great. But this one's my old one, it's just a little bit tattered, the Velcro's just not sticking as well as it used to, and I've been using this for maybe 5 years now. This is my second one of these that I've had. I left my first one on a plane, annoyingly, but yeah, it's the second one I've had. I've used it on every long haul flight, even on short haul flights. When you're doing like an hour, if you're getting a flight early in the morning, you think, right, I'll try and get a nap on that flight just to catch up on a little bit of sleep on a hectic tour schedule. This thing's great, just strap it around and then you can just relax. You can be watching something on the TV in front of you, or like listening to a podcast on your phone, and then if you drift off, you know that you're supported and your neck's good. But yeah, this is a standard version and it's been great, but yeah, it is about time I upgraded, and this is the upgrade. So I don't know whether this was called the Pro when I ordered it, but yeah, on here it's called the Cool Pillow, and yeah, same again, I went for the grey colour just because, I don't know, that's one I had before, so I went for the same colour. But this is slightly different. You can see like the material, maybe you can't see on the camera, but it's like different material here, and then the middle bit's like cooling material. It says on here that it's breathable, thermoregulation, whatever that means, and cool touch, and it does feel quite cool. That might be quite nice on the flights. As you can see, I've not opened it yet, so I guess let's do that. There she is. So, here's a Turtle Pro. Oh, please note, returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached. Well, don't need to return it, so get that off. So the idea is that you either have it like straight forward and it holds here, or you can have it like to the side. I usually have it like this, so it's a bit on my shoulder, and it just means I can like lean into it on the side, get a bit of a snooze on. So yeah, the idea is you put it on, and then you wrap it around your head, and then you just stick it to itself, get it as tight as you can really. Usually that's what I do. And then Velcro it on, and then that's it. I just fall asleep like this. And then plane lands, 10 hours later, I wake up, and here I am, nice and rested and supported. This feels pretty good. It's a lot more padded than the old version. It feels a lot more comfortable to wear, and it does actually feel really cooling on that. So I think it might be worth the upgrade. I'm going to take this on my flight this week. I'm going to fly to Thailand, so it's a nice long haul, 2 flights to get there. I'm going to take this Pro version. I'll let you know how I get on and if it's worth the upgrade from this one. Like I said, I definitely recommend this. I've been using this for many years, but let's see if this one is going to be worth it on that long haul flight. Stay tuned and I'll let you know when I get back from Thailand.
The next day.
Yo, so here I am in Thailand, in Bangkok. It took me 2 flights to get here, a 14-hour flight and then a 3-hour flight. So it's kind of important for me to get some rest on the way here overnight, and adjust to the time zone when I landed late afternoon. The plan was to kind of try and get some sleep using this turtle cool pillow on that first flight, get a good chunk of sleep in overnight, and then try and adjust to the time zone a little bit. Yeah, I can safely say that this was actually amazing. I think I slept for like 7 hours straight with this. It was just comfortable, it gave me the support I needed, and I had a good sleep. So, I spent the first couple of hours on the flight chilling out with the Wi-Fi, so I watched some YouTube videos, had the meal, and then when like the dim lights, got this on, tried to get comfortable. Got it like in a position like this, and yeah, it's just really nice. The material's soft, feels good. It's like cooling material, really padded as well. So I had a good, comfortable support on my neck. Put the eye mask on, put my AirPods in, listened to a podcast, and fell asleep. And I think I slept for a solid 7 hours without waking up. No neck pain or anything. Like, this gave me the support I needed. I'd say this is definitely my number one essential travel accessory when touring on long haul flights. Go pick one up now. I'm flying back to London tomorrow, so do the same flights again, 2 flights back, 14-hour flight. It's going to be essential for me to get some rest on that. I'm straight onto a tour bus when I land at Heathrow, so yeah, that's going to be great for that. And yeah, if you pick one up, this cool pillow or one of the standard ones, let me know. I'll leave links to them all down below, and let me know if you've got any other travel accessories that you deem essential for touring. Let me know in the comments. I might check them out. Until the next time, peace.